Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making this beef stir fry. I love beef stir fries because it's usually very flavorful and all of the juices from the beef goes directly into your stir fry. So first I'll be using my skillet because there's a combination between beef and skillet that when you try it out, you're definitely not going to look back. It's going up from there. It's usually very nice. The skillet gives a good blend to the beef and it's usually very flavorful. So first I'll saute some onions, ginger, garlic, and then throw in my beef strips. You can make use of, I definitely made use of fat-free beef fillets and cut into strips. So here I'm stir frying with my mixed spices, black pepper, some suya spice, some Atagungun, salt, and any seasoning of your choice. So just let the skillet do its work. Remember, on low heat, just stir fry. Added a little sesame oil to it for the extra flavor, and added some extra onions. Yes, I'm adding mint leaves now. The mint leaves, comes in to also add its own special herby flavor. So just stir fry for about 7 minutes and your beef would be done. Now go in your bell peppers, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, carrot strips, orange bell peppers, any bell peppers of your choice, definitely. So my carrot strips, the bell peppers mixed together. It's a very easy dish and everything is going to be ready in less than 15 minutes. Please, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you haven't, please kindly subscribe and share with people that you love. So now I added in diluted Greek yogurt. You can use coconut milk, you can use any other milk of your choice. I diluted my Greek yogurt, I loosened it up, and that was what I used. I added a little bit of soy for the extra kick, and then just allow it to cook for a little bit. Extra cabbage. You can make use of other vegetables. I added sweet corn as well. Then the pasta, remember to have parboiled your pasta till al dente, and then you can just stir fry it directly. Remember, we are not using so much oil, so it's important for you to work on low heat and understand the use of your wok or your pans, as the case may be. So just mix together, serve with your protein of choice. I'm going to be adding cheese and then extra mint leaves as well. You can cover up to allow to steam for just a little bit, like 2 minutes, because you don't want your soggy pasta, right? So just let it cook for a little bit. At this point I already switched off my wok. Sorry, I meant my burner. I already switched it off, and then I added extra mint leaves and the cheese. Remember to taste, to adjust seasoning to your choice. I made use of mixed spices, a little seasoning and salt, and the beef was already properly seasoned at the time I was stir frying it, so I didn't have to go overboard with the seasoning. This is a very easy dish and I hope you'll be trying it. Give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you're going to try this out. Thank you so much. Subscribe and share with your friends. Love you. Bye.